Okay, so we're gonna give this a try.
Okay, I know this
So,
thing.
yep, this is a standard slider.
Okay, my slider.
Go ahead and put that under your foot. Let's do a couple, just slide it back, slide it forward. That's it. Let's do one more just like that. And so let's try this. We're going to keep the slider there.
Okay.
Take that loop, put that loop over the toe. Now this would be something, if you do it at home, you'd need a little help just to get set up.
Okay.
What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pass this behind the chair. You can let go of that.
Okay.
I'm going to bring it through here
Okay.
and grab hold. And so now what you've got, let's put this under the heel.
Okay.
And so now what you've got is you've got this little pulley system. So go ahead and slide the foot back on your own first, just whatever the knee can tolerate. And then you'll use a little bit of pull. And really this can come kind of across you. You know, you can use
Okay.
your other hand. I mean, you
Okay.
don't have to
Okay.
struggle with it.
Gotcha.
You want to get to the point where you feel the tension, you add a little extra tension, and then you just hold it there. You know, you hold it for 10 seconds, then you release the tension. So let's see what that looks like. That's it. We'll do 10 repetitions, and we'll hold each one for 10 seconds.